Hello friends, this is Dhananjay. Today's concept is PHP strings functions. Okay, let's see what is a string functions. So PHP provides a number of built-in string functions, so which can help in performing several operations while dealing with string data. Okay, and built-in functions in PHP are some existing library functions which can be used directly in our programs, that making an appropriate call to them. Okay. And below are some important built-in string functions that we use in our daily life and regular programs. Okay, and here we'll see what are the different string functions one by one. Okay, that is first one. We'll take string to lower function. Okay, this function will returns a string in a lower case letters. Okay, so consider here one syntax that is there, string to lower, and string we have to pass a variable there. Okay, now here an example part I am explaining the example one by one. That is string str, that is a string variable I taken now. For that variable I placed one value, my name is con. Okay, here the word con and m is a capital, remaining are small. Okay, now I am taking another, that is a variable, that is str equal to str to lower. Str to lower means string to lower, so which it returns string in a lower case letters. Okay, let's see an execution part. I'm opening Notepad now, and here I'm executing this program, which it can returns a string in a lower case. Okay, now here we have to create one str equal to my name is con. Okay, so now for the same I am using a variable str to lower str, and now echo $str. Okay, if you use this like now we save the program. So now our concept is string functions, right? So directly save the file name with str to lower dot php. Okay, now execute the program. What is the file name? str to lower dot php. Now my name is con. So here which it displays. So if you give a capital letter in a string, then for each word or each character, then automatically it will converts and it returns strings in a lower case letters. Okay, let's see another second one, that is string to uppercase. So whenever if you are taking characters like a strings or character, so which it function returns strings in a uppercase letter. Okay, and now here I'll take the same code. I will execute the program. So I already given my name is con, and now str to upper. Okay, in the place of lower, please uppercase. Okay, now save the program and refresh here. So you'll get all capital. Okay, so here to str to lower means it displays the strings in a lower case. Str to upper means it displays strings in a upper case. Okay, and let's see uppercase first, use the first. Third one is use the first function, which it returns strings converting first character into uppercase. Okay, it does not change the case of other characters. Okay, for example, if you have like my name is con. Okay, it simply converts first character into uppercase. Okay, now let's see an execution part here. Instead of str to upper, you can place like uc. Okay, uc first. Okay, uc first. Now execute the program. Yeah, it displays my name is con, right? So there uppercase it converts the first character into an uppercase. Okay, it does not change like many other. So if I am taking like a small, if I place small m, if I am place small m and I am saving here, so it displays capital. Okay, that is called the thing uppercase first. UC means uppercase first, so which it converts first character into uppercase. Okay, now let's see another fourth one, that is lowercase first. Means, so it quite opposite for uppercase, that is lowercase, it converts first character to lowercase. Let's see, in the place of UC, place LC. Okay, LC. Now it displays like this. Okay, so my name, first character my name, right? See, it won't take another characters like a name, is, con. It only take first character, first word. Okay, first character only it will take. Now let's see another one, another function, that is the fifth one. So that is which already we saw, right? Now fifth one, that is UC words, means uppercase words. So it returns string converting first character of each word into uppercase. Okay, and one more thing, we'll see an execution part. So UC words, right? So in the place of LC, you can place UC words, which it returns strings converting first character of each word into an uppercase. Okay, now it's clear, right? Here I given my name is, all small. Okay, now if I am applying UC words, then what happens? M capital, N capital, I capital, con already it is capital, so it displays the capital M. So for each and every word, first character, it displays as a capital. Okay, and let's see another one, that is PHP string reverse function. String reverse function, which it is returns reversed string. Okay, like I'll take same example, which it like I am placing str reverse. Okay, strrev. Okay, strrev. Now execute the program, you'll get an output like it reverse. Okay, so entire word, whatever my name is con, right? So it displays NAHK, con is, okay, a name my, like that. It reverses the string. Okay, that is the sixth one. Let's see seventh one, string length. How to find length of a string? Okay, so you will have like one function which is strlen. Okay, strlen, which displays a length of a function, that is the 15. Okay, so that is how the PHP functions in PHP that will work. And eighth one, we'll see how to search for a text within a string. You can have like a string position, which it is a function, it searches for the specific text within a string. If it is a match it's found, then it displays the position of the character or a string, and if the function returns a character position of the first match, and if no match is found, then it will return false value. Okay, let's see one execution part. I'll take this one. So here simple one, I am taking echo. We will take like echo strpos, in double quotation I am placing hello world, now comma, then you will get you have to give a word double quotation close semicolon. You will get an output like I'll see that 6. Okay, output is 6 now. Why it is displaying 6 means, so finding the word where the word is in a word capital. Okay, the position is 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So actually in the string you have to start from 0. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. It includes 5 is a space, 6 is a word, that is first match it is found, so it displays the position of the string, that is 6. Okay, and now here we'll go for another ninth one, that is string replace. Okay, let's see string replacement. Replacing a text within a string means it replaces some characters with some other characters in a string. Okay, so like I'm taking one example which it replaces a text of word with a dolly. Okay, so here I have a word called hello world, and in the place of word I want to place a dolly. So this is a word whatever you want to replace, and a new word, this is a old word, and here main word. Okay, consider like that. Now let's see like the execution part, which is a string underscore replace, right? So string underscore replace. Okay, and here in the place of here word I am placing word, and now I am taking this another thing, that is dolly, dolly, and now I am placing the original string, that is main string, that is hello world, right? Hello world. Now execute the program, you'll get hello dolly, right? So it finds the word, word with it replaces the word with dolly. Okay, now let's see another that is another function, which it is a string repeat. So it's repeating a string. Okay, it is repeating, nothing but PHP provides a built-in function for repeating a string in a specific number of times. Okay, so if you want to repeat hello in a 13 times, or if you want to repeat a character, or if you want to repeat a symbol, or if you want to repeat an image also, you can repeat multiple times. Like a string repeat is also a good function in a PHP. You can place like in the place of a string str underscore repeat. Okay, string repeat, and here you can have like in the place of so word, for example, take word. Okay, I want to repeat 13 times. Now save this program and execute this. It displays word in 13 times. Okay, I want to place like I want to place a symbol, dollar symbol. I want to place dollar symbol. Okay, dollar symbol. Now save this program and execute this dollar. Okay, I can place, if I want to place like here information, any information like echo in double quotes, I am placing my name Dhananjay. Okay, and I am placing another repeat. I'll get like that. Okay, if you want to apply, you can apply colors also here. If you want to apply bold, you can apply bold here and there. Then refresh this, which it displays good look and feel, right? So if you want to place echo center, so use center, and now for the same you have to end with center code, right? You can use n middle position. If you want to apply colors for those things, you can apply. Is it possible to apply here bold? Use apply bold here, bold. Now here style equal to single quotation color colon red. Whether it will work or not, let's check whether it is. Yeah, it's working properly. Okay, let's see a code execution part. Here I am taken string repeat multiple times. I am placing here only I am placing HTML with CSS part inline style sheet, placing inline style sheet. For I am applying a dollar symbol, I am applying a style sheet for dollar symbol. In the same way, if you want to apply for this one, you can apply here. So for example, I am taking the same thing, I am copying here, I am placing here. Now instead of red color, you can apply yellow. Now execute the program, it displays, right? Or you can apply green, you will get green. Okay, green color. This is how the wonder of PHP string functions. Okay, and let's see another function which displays a part of a string. Here a substring, that is substring is a function which you can display or extract the string from a particular position. Okay, consider like I have a substring like a string which it has 3 parameters: string, start, length. Okay, A string nothing but whatever the string you are applying, and then start nothing but from where you have to start and where you want to divide that string. Okay, and finally length nothing but how many characters if you want to extract from that. Okay, let's see an execution part, substring, right? So you have to take like this one. For example, I want to take the same part. I'm removing this. I'm placing now PHP and close this, and here echo. I'm placing echo, and now subst or substring of. Here I'm placing welcome to PHP. Or I can execute the same things also, no problem. Okay, Cloudways, comma 6. Now then apply br. I want to apply br now. Use the concatenation operator with br, so it's working now. For the same thing, I want to apply another one, that is in the place of here 6. I can press 0, 10. 0, 10 means what it means of 0, 10. 0, 10 nothing but here you are passing 3 parameters, guys. That is string. This is the string part, okay, and this is 0 is the start position, and 10 is nothing but a length. Okay, execute this program, and now you will get an output like E2 word Cloudways. Okay, so this is the position of 6, nothing but here consider like 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth one is, that is E, up to E. From E to it displays all the words. Okay, and from, if I am taking like 0, it takes from W is 0, right? 0 from 0 to 10 nothing but 2 up to O 2. Okay, it displays the value, like including space also it displays space. Now this is how the string functions will work. Okay, there are plenty of string functions are there, but these 11 functions are very important, and for in daily programming languages, each and every main complex programs also which it has these functions. Okay, thank you for watching.